Hello, my name is David, and welcome to the Grass Academy. Today I'm going to show you a Lazy Susan corner cabinet application using Grass Nexis Pie Cut Corner and wide-angle hinges. The Nexis Hinge series is an extensive European-style hinge program covering just about every application imaginable. The Nexis Hinge series offers three-dimensional adjustment for perfect door alignment. It's soft-close compatible and has a shallow cup depth of just 11 millimeters. Our hinges also accommodate overlays up to 20 millimeters. A Lazy Susan corner cabinet is a typical kitchen door application, but our unique hinge combination offers a big advantage. So let's take a closer look. The components that make up the Lazy Susan Pie Cut Corner application starts with the wide-angle hinge. This is our Nexis 170-degree wide-angle hinge. There are two unique advantages to this hinge, the first of which is the way that the hinge is constructed. We have a stamped steel cover, if you will, that conceals the inner workings or linkage of the hinge. That's important for two reasons. First of all, you're not going to have any pinching. A child wouldn't be able to pinch their finger in the linkage because it's concealed. And second of all, it protects the linkage of the hinge from debris, whether it's sawdust in a production environment or even food particles in the kitchen. The second advantage is when the door is opened 90 degrees, there's zero protrusion of the door into the interior of the cabinet, of this door here. So you see we have a face frame adapter plate on the frame. The door is opened 90 degrees, and this door does not protrude into the interior of the cabinet. And that's important, especially for rollout trays, if you have a rollout tray application. In this particular example, probably a large swiveling Lazy Susan type of product, you would be able to have full access to it and no interference with any of the product, whether it's a drawer or a swiveling Lazy Susan product. You'll have zero interference. The second component is the pie cut corner hinge itself. We have it here on a more traditional mounting plate, but you could also use a face frame adapter plate, which is very easy for locating on the edge of the door. So you could use either or. The unique advantage of this hinge, in conjunction with the 170-degree hinge, is that all of your boring and drilling settings are the exact same on both sides of the door. So traditionally, you would have the mounting plate of the pie cut corner hinge here. Well, with the Grass setup, you can drill your holes for your cup. It's the exact same on both. Your diameter of 35 millimeters is the exact same on both sides. Your drilling for your plastic grommets or dowels, the exact same on both sides. And most importantly, your tab distance or drilling distance from the edge of the door to the edge of the cup is the exact same on both sides. So in the production environment, you're drilling these two holes, you flip the door around, you drill them again for the pie cut corner hinge, and you're done. This saves machinery and labor time, so there's a cost savings there. It's also reduces production complexity since you're doing it on the same door. And also, even at the home site, you'd have faster installation of the door. We'll go to the next step now, and I'll show you how to make positional adjustments to the hinges. For the adjustments on the pie cut corner grass hinge, you will use a number 2 posi screwdriver, and we will start with the side adjustment or overlay adjustment. You have plus minus 2 millimeters here. It's this cam screw here in the middle. Simply twist back and forth, plus minus 2 millimeters there. Next, you have the depth adjustment, also plus minus 2 millimeters. Just as simple, back and forth. On the base plate, you'll have your height adjustment, plus minus 2 millimeters here as well. And finally, the door thickness adjustment. The factory setting is at 19 millimeters, but you do have a range from 14 all the way up to 24 millimeters for the door thickness adjustment. Simply loosen, adjust wherever is appropriate, and tighten back up. We've just completed an overview of the Lazy Susan corner cabinet application using Grass Nexis Pie Cut Corner and wide-angle hinges. I hope this video was helpful. You can also connect with us on social media or visit us at www.grassusa.com for additional online resources. From all of us at Grass America, thank you.